When it comes to protecting what matters most, two names stand out: Allstate and Esurance. But which insurance provider truly delivers when you need it most? On one side, the long-established, trusted Allstate. On the other, the tech-savvy, modern Esurance. Let's push past the advertising and see what really counts. We'll break it down category by category and award points along the way so you can see who comes out on top. And the winner just might surprise you. Let's zoom out for a sec and look at what we're actually comparing. I'm going to walk you through price and discounts, online experience, customer service, what coverage options they're really bringing to the table, and of course, reputation. Alright, let's dive right into our first category. First up is price and discounts. So with Allstate, you do get a lot of bundling options, which is nice if you want to keep things tidy and maybe score a few savings here and there. Sometimes they even toss in loyalty rewards. But I mean, full honesty, their premiums are usually on the higher side and you don't see as many of those special online-only deals. Now, Esurance, wow, they love to flaunt those competitive online rates. It's super easy to get side-by-side quotes with just a few clicks, and they're always pushing digital discounts your way. The catch? You might not find the same kind of agent-led discounts, but really with those online prices, it's hard to complain. So if we're talking about saving cash and snagging discounts, Esurance definitely comes out ahead here. Next, let's chat about the online experience. Allstate has a decent website and the mobile app is actually pretty solid, no complaints there. But here's the thing. If you want to change your policy or something more complex, you're probably going to have to talk to an actual agent. Not always the fastest route. Flipping over to Esurance, this is where they seriously shine. Everything is online, quotes, setup, even claims. Their app and site get really high marks, and I mean you can get through it all crazy fast. No need to step foot in an office or even pick up the phone if you don't want to. Sure, they skip the in-person help, but if you live online already, Esurance is the easy winner here. Let's talk customer service, and yeah, this one shakes out a little differently. Allstate has a huge network of agents and people really trust their service. They actually score crazy high in those J.D. Power studies, and their claims support is available pretty much around the clock. That said, if you call during busy times, get ready for some long-hold music. Esurance flips it to the digital side again. Their online support is fast, honestly, that's nice, and reaching out via app or website is a breeze. But here, where you might hesitate, there's zero in-person service. And for messier claims, reviews can get a little mixed. So if you want that human backup, Allstate's got the edge. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Esurance was one of the absolute first companies to sell auto insurance completely online. They basically started this whole digital insurance trend. Alright, coverage options. This is where Allstate kind of flexes, not gonna lie. The variety is impressive, tons of riders and add-ons. Classic cars, rideshare, specialty stuff, you name it, they probably have it. Customizing your plan, though, can push those costs up, so keep that in mind. Esurance, meanwhile, keeps things simpler. Basics are there and it's all super easy to set up. But if you want something really specific or niche, yeah, you'll notice there aren't as many specialty choices as Allstate. In this round, Allstate definitely takes it. Last up, reputation. Allstate's basically a household name at this point. Decades in the game, top marks for stability, and just about everyone's at least heard of them. If you want that tried and true security, it doesn't get much better. Downside? Maybe feels a little old school at times. Esurance, on the other hand, was this cool, innovative brand, super digital, super fresh. But fun fact, they actually got fully absorbed by Allstate, so their independent reputation isn't as strong anymore. Allstate's the clear standout if long-term reputation matters to you. When you stack these two side by side, you can really see how Allstate and Esurance score differently on each category. Some big wins for Allstate in service and coverage, but Esurance rockets ahead for price and online experience. So, bottom line, Allstate is awesome if you love having an agent in your corner and want a huge menu of coverage options. If you're more about speed, digital simplicity, and the best online deals, Esurance is the way to go. If you found this helpful, be sure to stick around so you don't miss future insurance insights.